Existing medical conditions can impose a surgical risk. And we work at the Hernia Center of Southern California with many medical specialists. And if someone has a pre-existing illness such as diabetes or heart disease or lung disease, what we do is we work with the treating physician specialists to get our patients in the best possible medical condition so that this surgery can be performed safely and without any added risks of the medical conditions. And in many instances, we work hand in hand with the medical specialists to ensure a safe surgery and a safe recovery.